A person who tells lies is more daring at look at the other person's eyes directly, because he needs to make eye contact to confirm whether his lie is believed or not. People who don't like to trouble others are less like being troubled by others. When you hug someone longer than 20 seconds, oxytocin, the love hormone, gets released into your body. That makes you trust the person you are hugging. You start feeling depressed as a result of overthinking. In this state, your mind creates problems that did not exist. Your mind creates problems that don't exist. When you feel that you know someone well, this may indicate that you see yourself in this person. The neurological effect of falling in love with someone has a similar effect as getting high on caution. The 68% of people are suffering from phantom vibration syndrome, the feeling that one's phone is vibrating when it's not vibrating. Human memories get distorted over time. So, the average person has at least one false piece of memory. Your mind rewrites the boring speech of people and make it sound more interesting. According to new research, memories of phobias are passed down through generations in DNA. Your brain feels rejection like physical pain. The level of anxiety in average high school kids today is the same as a psychiatric patient in the early 1950s. When you think in another language, you will make more rational decisions. The study suggests that the person who loses their mobile phone will experience a fanning similar to a near-death experience. If girls like you, they like you even when you see them staring. Poor people tend to be more loyal. People who care about others are very sad psychologically. People who watch danger streams are often going through a very difficult time. Talking with someone for a long time increases your chances of falling in love with him. We can love two people at the same time, but never at the same intensity. Haters don't hate you. In fact, it is because you are the reflection of what they want you to become. 33% of people who date online from a relationship. 33% do not, and 33% give up. Studies show that happiness is contagious. Therefore, it can be difficult to walk away from a partner who is happy, or not love those who are happy mainly because they are so pleasant to be around.